In this video, we're going to learn step by step how to set up a payment method in your AdSense account. So let's get started. First, open Google and search for AdSense. From the search results, click on the official link, which is adsense.google.com. This will take you to the AdSense homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll notice your account balance displayed under the earnings section. This is where all of your revenue from YouTube or your website will appear once Google processes it. Now, to set up your payment method, look at the left-hand side menu. From here, click on Payments and then select Payment Info. This section contains all the details related to how you'll receive your earnings. On the right side, you'll see a section called How You Get Paid. Below that, click on the option that says Add Payment Method. Here, Google will give you two choices. The first option is to receive payment by check. In this method, Google will send you a physical check through the mail, but honestly, this process takes longer and is less convenient. The second option is wire transfer, where Google sends the money directly into your bank account. This method is faster, safer, and highly recommended, so we'll select wire transfer. Now, you'll need to fill in your bank details carefully. The first field is beneficiary ID. This part is optional, so you can either leave it blank or write a short ID for your own reference. Next is the name field. Here, make sure you type your real name exactly as it appears on your bank account. If the name doesn't match, your payment might fail, so be very careful here. Then enter your bank name, the bank where you hold your account. After that, you'll need to provide your bank's SWIFT or BIC code. This code is used for international transfers, and each bank has a unique one. If you don't know your bank's SWIFT code, you can simply call your branch and ask them, or you can also find it on the Wise website. Once that's done, the next step is to enter your IBAN number. The IBAN is your international bank account number, and it's very important to type it correctly. You can find your IBAN on your checkbook, on your monthly bank statement, or even inside your mobile banking app. After filling in all of these details, double-check everything to make sure there are no mistakes. When you're sure everything is correct, tick the checkbox at the bottom to confirm, and then click on Save. Congratulations, your payment method has now been created. From now on, whenever Google releases your earnings, the money will be sent directly to this bank account. Also, right after saving, you'll receive a confirmation email from Google Payments. This email will let you know that your payment method has been successfully updated. And that's not all. If in the future you want to change something, you can edit your payment details. If you no longer use a certain bank account, you can remove it. And if you'd like, you can even add multiple payment methods and choose which one should be the primary account for receiving your payments. So that's how simple it is to set up your payment method in AdSense. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.